So I would like to show you, if you are needing a little bit of shine in your style, let me show you what to do. First off, because I don't want to shampoo it, I don't have the time tonight, I'm just going to use a little bit of my Revive. I'm going to stay a few inches away. I'm going to take my, you can use your fingers, but I'm going to use my wide tooth comb. I'm going to have to let it dry a little bit, but as you can see, just as I'm combing through, and you don't have to take it off, this will dry on you as you wear it. It'll dry wearing, you can wear it, you don't have to take it off, don't get nervous, it's going to dry just the way it needs to. And as you can see, it's adding a little bit of shine. You can also shampoo this. A lot of times when, just with your fingers, body oils, dirt, air, whatever the case may be, product, your wig has a little bit of a buildup and you need to shampoo it, it dulls it a little bit. Just shampoo it, and then put a little bit of Revive, let it dry overnight, and you'll have sheen just like this.